6, Unit 3. We're looking at multiplication by 2 and 3. In 3.1, we have our multiplication tables of 2's. And the process is the same as with our 5's and 10's. If I have one group of 2, I'm going to have 2 as an answer. If I have two groups of 2, I'm going to have 4 as an answer. If I have 3 groups of 2, I'm going to have 6 as an answer, and so forth. It does form a pattern. You're increasing by 2 each time. Also remember that you eventually need to memorize these facts, and that will help make multiplication a lot easier. Let's look at example A. 2 times 3. If I have 3 groups of 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2, then I have an answer of 6. Let's look at example B. 2 times what number equals 14? Well, again, if you need to sit there and write out 2's until you reach 14, that's fine. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How many 2's did you have to add together? 7 of them. So that's what we're multiplying by. Unit 3.2, multiplying by 2. Example A. 2 times 2. 2 groups of 2 would give me an answer of 4. Example B. 5 times 2. The 2 comes second, but you still have 2 groups or 5 groups of 2 in the situation. So again, you can count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 would be my answer. Unit 3.3, our multiplication table of 3. The process is still the same. When you have one group of 3, you're going to have 3 as your answer. When you have 2 groups of 3, you have 6 as your answer. When you have 3 groups of 3, you have 9 as your answer. Again, you can see that basically it is a pattern of increasing 3 each time. And you all need to know these multiplication facts at some point, so you need to start memorizing them. Let's look at example A. 3 times 6. I have 6 groups of 3. So if I were to add together 6 groups of 3, how many would I have? I would have 18. Let's look at Unit 3.4. We're multiplying by just 3 in this unit. So let's look at example A. 3 times 5. What would 5 groups of 3 give me? Well, you can count forward if you need to, 5 groups, or you can use your table to know that your answer is 15. Let's look at example B. 7 times 3. Now the 3 is coming second in our problem, but we're still doing the same process. I want 7 groups of 3. How much would that give me? That would give me 21. Unit 3.5. Multiplying by 2 or 3. Let's look at example A. 2 times 9. 9 groups of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Start your pattern, continue your pattern 9 times to get an answer of 18. Example B. 3 times what number equals 9? Well, if I were to start my pattern of adding 3's, how many would I have to add together before I got to answer of 9? You'd have to add together 3 of them.